How's it going, YouTube? I'm here with a quick unboxing slash review of the Beretta 84BB. It is an Italian surplus gun. PSA currently has them on sale for $399.99. Let's go ahead and open the box and see what it comes with. Comes with one 13-round clip. Pretty good condition. The lock, obviously. Here's the pistol itself. It is chambered in .380. It is a 3.8-inch barrel. The overall length, I believe, is 6.8 inches. It's a double action blowback operated pistol. On the site, they say that they are in excellent condition, so I will let you be the judge. There's some surface rust, but not too bad. All right, thank you for watching. Let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to comment, like, and subscribe. Quick little close-up of the pistol. Thank you for watching.